Wisconsin, eastern Sheboygan County, and east central Wisconsin until 6:30 p.m. At 5:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Valders, or 13 miles west of Manitowoc, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 2-inch hail and 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Sheboygan, Plymouth, Sheboygan Falls, Howard's Grove, Pittsburgh, Kohler, Cedar Grove, Elkhart Lake, Waldo, Haven, Johnsonville, Gibbsville, and Hingham. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. This thunderstorm is capable of producing all types of severe weather, including extremely large hail, destructive straight-line winds, and tornadoes. Move quickly to a safe shelter such as an interior room, a bathroom, closet, or basement. This is the NOAA weather